This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Good morning. I'm not late. I'm not early. We're going to take stock of what we got. 30-minute chart. Ooh, where did the volatility go? Where did the volatility go? Let me open up my strategy indicators. I should just make them as a strategy. Sorry, as an indicator. I don't even have to open them up every day. Okay, we took out the Asia session low. Then we went higher, and did we take out the highs? No, we did not. Okay, well, if it's computer program, we did not take out the highs, so we don't have the 1, 2, 3 punch, as you know about, as I talk about every morning. That 80%er is gone. Good morning, Skeletor. Looking on the daily. It's going to be depressing if this is going to be the new volatility again, if we're going to get right back into these shitty days. We had a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We had 6 days of a little bit of range there, daily range. Let's see what happens. Is there a holiday by any chance next Monday in the U.S.? I didn't even look. That we're going to have a quiet day today? I don't think so. I would have gotten an email. I got a change of 34.75 on the gapping up, 34 points on the daily, but the 1 minute will be different. It is about 11 points, 10 points. Crazy. Hey, everyone. No. No, no, no. Okay, so all we got is death quiet. Let us take a quick look at 8:30. 8:30, 8:31. Okay, well, let's move on to gold. Gold is chugging along nicely. I actually thought we got under the 50 and a little bit under the 100. I thought gold might go for a little bit of a dump, maybe down to 3,000, but straight back up. Unfortunately, got slapped back down at just a little over 3,500. And you can see we have not had a close. I'll mark that level off. We have not had a close. Oh, that's a shitty line. Properties. Light sea green. Who chose that color? We have not had a close above that line. We got above it, knocked down. We got to it, knocked down. We got to it, knocked down. A little under, a little front running, knocked down, and now again. So we got to get over that level. Definitely. Definitely, definitely. That could be a little bit of a wall there. Good reason to take gold shorts. Certainly you have that level marked in, geez, it's really 35.30. It's really marked in the sand. Anyways, we're too far away to make that a stop. It's 50 points. The morning omnius. Bitcoin. Bitcoin staying above the 50 period moving average after breaking below that consolidation. But what you might be seeing now, in my opinion, we had a little bit of a dump. If we're heading lower, this is kind of the retest of the consolidation area, and then we head lower again. You know, I remember my whole life I would take trades and price would always come back to my entry. So like if I were to be watching this and I would get in on the breakout, I would be in probably around here, and then I'd say, fuck, price always comes back to those areas, but then it continues on its move. So question is, as always, will we continue up or down? But if there is a further sell off in Bitcoin, I would not be surprised in seeing this move back to the bottom of this area over here, Bitcoin. So I would probably have a bit of a bearish bias right now with Bitcoin. Not a big one, a little itty bitty one. So there we have it. We looked at everything, and we still don't know where it's going to go. Because nobody knows where it's going to go. Ever. That's why you shouldn't be a predictor. You should be a reactor. No one has a crystal ball, and the markets can do anything. You can call it what you want. You can call it the algo. You can call it anything. But we still don't know where it's going to go. We can only form a guess. That could be an 80% probability guess, but it's still only a guess. If you had a roulette wheel with 80% red and 20% black, and you bet on red, you're still guessing it's going to land on red. It's not certainty. Bear with me. But just to let you know, you definitely didn't land on this live stream by accident. So pay attention. Guys, click the like button while you have a chance here, while I'm navigating my way to stream starting soon, just a moment away. Inside sports fishing, below the border. I like sports fishing. Are we? Are we? Did I miss it? On Omnius's title, he says all-time highs. What happened? Okay. So all-time highs. Let's go take a look at the daily again. I wouldn't say we're at all-time highs. I mean, we're kind of at all-time highs. Everyone had a theory we were going to bounce back in Bulenox. Is that up to date? August 6th, day 9, 56.16. I don't even know. I don't have the account open, but I think it is up to date. We had 3 winners in a row on coin flip. Look at that. It's at 50,616. Yeah, look where we bounced over there. If you look at the line and you look to the left, look over here where my vertical line is. 2 minutes to open, and then it's like right matches again where the vertical line is. But volatility sucks so far. Wow, sports fishing. I would love love to go fishing today. On the ocean. That would make me happy. Okay, I'm checking if you guys hit the like button. I'm refreshing my page. Ah, I got 3. Okay. 3's better than 2, right? Yes, it is, Mike. I hit the like. What are you doing here still? I'm on your stream. Go get busy. Go open the markets already. It's 9:29. This guy's still chatting over here. I have my water bottle, a new one. I love it. Except when my kid looks at it, he says, it has about the same amount of water when you brought it down. It's not moving. Okay, let me get my audio settings. Market's going to open in 20 seconds. My audio settings, well, I can't really set them any higher. I didn't do an audio test. I got a few seconds. Perfect. Audio's working. And the markets are opened. Ding, ding, ding. I have a short and a bullish bias on Top Step. That's the most important. That's the most important. Top Step is now bullish. And so is Take Profit Trader. Everything is bullish. Took a quick $100 into my Take Profit Trader account. Okay, I think Take Profit Trader is done. We can leave that account alone. Sweep on next. What else do we want to deal with? Next week I'll start trading my PAs again. I'm a little insecure. Oh, wait a minute. I don't have my other accounts open. MFFU and funding futures. Boy, I got to show you something about funding futures. Very, very funny. Omnius is here, but we don't hear him. I guess he's having audio problems.
Uh-huh.
I tried.
I was thinking about it, and I was like, bullshit.
Yeah, I'm calling.
Same setup it was yesterday.
Yeah, but it screws up.
It does. But the first thing you got to say is ha ha first, right?
Yeah. Testing me. Testing at me if I was testing you. Let me see. This is the 200. The 200 is not really doing well today. We're flip-flopping on both sides of it. I'm not very impressed with the way price is acting on the 200.
What's good today? Any news?
I don't know.
Friday.
I was on Beginner Trading's live stream in the morning early. He had something asking about CPI. He had a poll. He puts a poll all the time. I thought there would be news about CPI at 8:30, but obviously there wasn't. No, I can't.
CPI is Monday.
Yeah, that's an 8. I guess he's asking early.
Tuesday. Is that Tuesday? No, it's Tuesday.
Yeah. Well, that's a weird poll to have then today.
August 12th. Well, just putting CPI there is going to boost engagement, I guess. I don't know. No news today. Don't see Monday. Looks like CPI Tuesday. PPI. What would that be? Thursday? Looks like an eventful week next week. We got a nice push up, pullback.
Well, I did good there in the opening. Gotta make sure.
Do you want volatility to return to the markets?
Who would ask such a stupid question?
It's a double-edged sword. Just saying.
Okay, I have a stuck order in that just got filled and I couldn't cancel.
I'll say yes, but then
That
we
was
get the
weird.
volatility. We might all cry about
it. Man, no. Okay, I have a band bounce to the short side if possible.
Just remember, Trump's known for having high volatility.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't get my shit. I was working on a program with Python yesterday.
You didn't get your shit?
No, I did.
I got rid of it, man.
I got it. I got rid of it in the morning. I weigh less right now than I did about a half an hour ago. Just saying.
Shit's real, man.
Shit's real.
What you doing with we talking about Python? What's going on with Python?
Wait, I'm in a long. I want to get out. Yeah, I wanted Python to create me a strategy, whatever. Just when I would click at the on-off buttons, it would enter in orders, so I can catch. Oh, it's below the current open. I made a mistake. Hold on a minute. It's the mid. Yeah. Anyways, it was to create me automatic orders, you know? Like right now, Top Step is bullish. So if Apex has bullish bars, I want to catch those bullish bars a little bit under the low of the open of the most recent bar. I don't know if you know what I mean. Like right now, if you're watching my chart, there's a bullish bar. I want to have a limit order just under the open of the current bar, which would enter me in now. You can't do it manually. It's too fast, but it's like a phenomenal way to scalp.
Every time I get on Google, I got to do like 2, 3, 4, 5-step verifications.
Oh, yeah?
It's like, it's my computer.
No, we don't.
So what, I don't use it every day. It's mine.
No, we don't. Could be somebody else. You never know. Okay, so if you see my screen, how I got in when the candle turned black, that's what I want it to do automatically.
Wait, am I supposed to be looking at your screen?
Oh, no, I'm just saying. I'm just trying to get in when I have two different candles that are bullish. And then this one that goes black. I just scalped my way to $95 doing that. I think it'll be a phenomenal scalping system. It'll be considered active scalping, maybe even high frequency scalping. But I think it'll work really well. Are you looking at my chart? You look like you're doing that right now.
Kind of am, yeah.
I'm
trying to utilize this.
Utilize. Wow, what a fancy word! Hey guys, did you know we use fancy words here? On this,
utilize this laptop I got sitting right next to me that I don't ever use.
Who knew Omnius is a utilizer? He
Believe it or
utilizes.
not, I could actually put this stream on there that I watch.
Oh, yeah?
Got
do you
kind of
watch?
this weird guy.
Who do you watch?
Some weird guy. What's that say? Futures. For some reason he's laying on the floor.
Yeah, for some reason. So
I still haven't figured that out. He likes being on the floor. Almost like I have a whole nother screen right here and a whole different laptop. All I gotta do is turn it on.
This is not a good trade. So how much can I lose? I'll get out. How much can I lose? 20, 5, 6, 60 bucks. Not bad, 60 bucks. I shouldn't be making 40. There we go. That's a good entry. That's the $30. There we go. Wow, I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it.
I like it. What we're doing?
I did the 2 minute. Somehow, some way, I got money off it on the downside. Because I don't know, you're always somehow entering in on these trades. And it didn't even close below the 2 minute range, but I took the dump. Now I'm scalping my way up into oh, got to get out. Okay, that one cost me, ooh, that one cost me 70. I'm trying a new scalping system at 6 slots. Probably should try it a little less aggressive.
Yeah, go big or go home, right?
You know what? I've been doing really well, and I think I understand now what needs to be done. What needs to be done is you need to take your loss. But what happened is I would trade larger, and I wouldn't want to take my loss because the loss was larger. I didn't really reconcile the numbers in my brain that, okay, if you can make 150, 200 trading 2 and 3 lots, raise it to, I don't know, let's say 4 and 6 lots, and it should be 200. So I was saying, you know, I can go up to other levels. Just I got to understand the numbers and be able to accept them. There we go. In other words, not revenge trade if I find myself down $400 or $500, because that used to be a place for me that I never wanted to be. But I have to understand that's going to be normal. That's your minus 100 when you're trading 2 lots. If you're trading 8 lots, minus 100 is going to be minus 400. Just let it go. Understand also, yeah, I mean, if you have a really bad period, you're going to blow the account. But you'll also, I mean, I don't know, you see my days, they're mostly green.
You know, I was looking at yesterday and like what a great day it would have been, like right after I left.
Oh, yeah?
Like not even right after I left, but fuck a little bit of time. There's a couple trades in there I should have caught, but I was so caught up on trying to catch the reversal that I missed so many great trades.
Yeah.
And then right after I left, the market was just giving away money. Wow. The rest of the day. I don't know if you traded anymore yesterday, but
no.
What a great chart to make money.
Yeah, it's all about the money, eh? The money. It's all about the money.
Like literally, I left, and the whole entire rest of the day was just here, take my money, take some money.
I'm looking forward to your.
I was looking at it last night, and I was like, "What a great chart to be trading," and I missed it.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to your kids going back to school because I want to see a couple of things that you were talking about. Like one of them you were talking about, you were saying how the Renko looks really good on the way you trade it. I want to see what that is exactly. Not now, you don't have to explain it, but gonna have to get you on maybe we'll do a live stream, we'll record, or yeah, you know what? Maybe we'll do We'll do a recording, maybe even actually. Just go over your way and my way of trading the Renko and compare the two and then post it as a video.
Study.
You do. But we have to wait for his kids to go back to school.
Now I got to remember what you're talking about. I said the Renko looks good the way I trade it.
I don't know. I guess based on your 2-minute system or your whatever, your standard system there with your super trend, and maybe even you hike and I sheet it and waited for a retrace.
Yeah, I think that was on the 40-10. Yeah, even the day, look at that. Came straight down, called the bottom, pushed up.
I'm telling you, whoever's not using Renko, I think they're driving with dirty windows. You're really not seeing everything, and you're missing a lot. I'm sorry, they're not Mickey Mouse bars. Removing time from trading. You know, everyone's talking, I'm a price action trader, I'm looking at the higher time frame. Yeah, no, now you're a time trader. If you want to be a price action trader, trade price.
I was looking at one of the charts yesterday, and you always hear people say that, indicators lag and they're price action traders. I was like, you know what? Price action lags too. It's like a lot of times the indicators kind of show you what's coming before the price action. So I feel like I can make the case that price action lags.
Then you're being predictive, in my opinion.
No. I have a system and it tells me that I need to be long or short. If I'm coming down to an area of value, I know I'm looking for an entry. It's not being predictive. It's telling me what the market's doing and what I need to look for.
Like people, they show the RSI, it's over 80. It's overbought. Well, but then it can stay over 80 for another, whatever time period you're using, another 40 bars. It can just continue staying over 80. So you still need something to trigger you in, like to say, okay.
I think that's a really outdated way of using the RSI.
Yeah, no, I know. I'm just giving an example on how, I think if you're going to get in, as soon as it goes over 80, you're being predictive. Unless you're using it in conjunction with a significant level, a pivot point, something like that.
RSI does one job and it does it well. Tells you where the momentum is. If you're using it to say, well, it's overbought or it's oversold, the market don't care about that. Now, if you're on an uptrend and you're looking for pullbacks and you look for the RSI to pull back to oversold to jump in on the uptrend, then that's a better way of using it.
Wow. I don't know about you guys, but take a look at gold. Is my Renko chart up? Woo-wee. How is that for smooth moves? That's the kind of chart you want to see.
On the Renko?
Yeah, look at that. It's like, you can't lose. How do you lose? I mean, it's pretty fucking obvious, and this goes back almost an hour. Anyways, let's get back to NQ.
Isn't it great when you see some of those charts and you're like, how do you lose? That's the way I was looking at the NQ yesterday.
Yeah.
I don't know if you got a second to look at my chart real quick. But it's literally like, how do you lose? Where's that? That's yesterday right there.
Hold on, let me open it up. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I like the way you're coloring the backgrounds now.
So it's like as soon as I left, it's like right here. As soon as I left, it was straight down. Nice pullbacks. Look at this. Get my drawing tool. Entry. I mean, just textbook entries.
Yeah.
And then if you even go down to the 1 minute, it's even more clear.
Oh, that's the 2 minute.
It's a 2-minute.
Mm. So
And
that's
then
the
when it
chart.
stops going down, it starts going up. Same way.
That's the chart that you put the Renkos on also. Same setup, same system. Sort of, maybe.
Not really, no.
No? So I thought,
It's my 2-minute chart.
okay. Yeah, no, I thought you set it up the same way. Beep, 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 beep. Opening, 15-minute opening range, 949. We broke above it. Are we going to look for the retest? See, look, I'm starting to remember.
I'll go ahead and place my order. But
I'm still marking the line. I'm behind
remember
you.
what happened? Was that yesterday?
Oh, I got crushed on it already twice. Now I'm going to be smarter. First time I took it, again, bias. Bias poisons my brain.
And today we don't have a support.
I'm going to have a stop. 10 points.
So
that's it.
it's not as strong today as it was in previous days. We don't have a support.
Yeah.
Or I don't see one.
There we go. I'm going to use the coin flip numbers. It's 10 points. I give myself 10 points. If it goes beyond 10 points, I wash it. I flush it. I dump it.
Well, I guess we have a 5-minute candle support and a 1-minute candle support. Yeah, it's still not as good as
I have a buy limit at
actual
17.
support. At what?
17 and a quarter. I'm front running a little bit.
I got mine at 14.
You're all the way
Front
down
running
at
by
14?
3 points.
Yeah. Plus I added.
There you go. Push. Do a nice push for me.
Dude, let's get push. Where are you?
Come on, push now. Do nice push for us, yes.
Take it there for the 10 points.
You got 10 points?
Nice.
What? I want to be greedy.
I only had 5 points because I got in early.
You got to fight for price. I think it'll still go. I
didn't fight for price.
think it'll still go.
Hey, someone's blocking my charts. You have to
See
move.
that.
You have to move. Get out of there.
Get out of my charts right
Go
now.
back. Go back down. So I got out at 22. You're always giving me bad advice.
Who?
You told me to get
Bad
out.
advice I give you.
Get out. Something. Take 10 points. Take it. Don't want to be greedy. That was your bad advice. Don't want to be greedy.
No. I told you I think it'll go. Hold it. I said I'm getting out.
Well, that was after I got out already. First,
Bro, you can't copy my trades.
And you don't want to be greedy. Oh, top step is long at 32.
I have a no trade copying rule.
Top step is long at 32. I can get in at 26. Are you kidding me?
Don't follow my trades. They're terrible trades.
Top
You never know. I might be drunk.
is-
We do trade drunk.
Ah, shit. Top step got stopped out. That sucks. Okay.
Not only do I trade drunk, I might be taking hallucinogens.
Are they legal in Florida?
As long as you don't get caught.
No. Yeah, that doesn't make them legal. Just saying. No, mushrooms. I know it's. I think it's legal in California. I think.
Well,
no, not
we can
California. Colorado.
We can argue the legal and lawful thing if you'd like to.
No, I want to just know: do you have mushroom stores in Florida? Stores, actual physical stores. We have them here.
Google that.
They have them in Colorado. I'm pretty sure they're legal here now. They legal. You know what? They're going to give you such a low dose. It's not going to do anything anyways.
It's all right, because if you look into microdosing, a lot of people are microdosing now.
Yeah.
I'd maybe like to try that.
I remember reading the gummies, how much they allow inside each gummy, because the government controls it here. Oh, yeah, maybe you don't know that. The marijuana stores, they're not privately owned. It's only by the government, and they control everything. Yeah. They own it, they control it.
All communist nations do that.
So, thank you. I feel good now. Hold on, I'm getting a trade. More importantly,
That was a joke. Don't be mad at me.
it's okay.
Get all the Canadian patriots mad at me.
Yeah, not too many of them. Push
I don't know
higher.
much about Canadian. Don't. Everything I say is a joke. Don't take it seriously.
They're trying to go there.
I'm just saying that's what communist nations do. I'm not implying that that's a communist nation. I'm just saying.
They're trying to go there like so many countries are. And I find even like your country was trying to go there with the Democrats, trying to get there slowly.
Democrats, Republicans.
Nah, Republicans
I make them all mad.
Don't want one party rule. Democrats do. Call it out. Call it out for what it is. Don't have to.
I'm trying to tell you, they're both the same party. I believe there's two parties. I think people want to believe they have the choice.
Really? You're going to give me two back-to-back losers? Come on, I don't believe you. And I'm watching it closely here. I'm watching it closely. Boosh. I'm taking my $32. I'm in a long because Top Step has a long trade. 70% probability we go to 39 bid. So
yeah, I got you now. I can see your delinquency.
No delinquency.
Well, I'm not saying right now. I'm just saying. I got you. I can.
Here comes the 39. Here comes the 39 bid. Here comes the 39 bid. I told you, 70%. Markets were at 23 at the time. That's a 16-point trade. There you go. 39 bid came and held. I didn't hold it for as long as I should have, but I scalped it a few times back and forth. Unfortunately, the trade before that lost me money. But so what? I forgot what I was saying before, but yeah. So we were talking about the marijuana. So they sell gummies at the government marijuana store. They don't call it marijuana. What do they call it? Cannabis. Cannabis. It's not marijuana. I knew it. They call it cannabis. The Quebec Cannabis Corporation. CCC. QQQ. Anyways.
I'm still confused about the Quebec thing. Now, Quebec is Canada, right?
Quebec is in Canada, just like Florida.
So Quebec is like a state.
Yeah. We just call it a
province. It's not a territory.
No.
You called it once a province?
It's a province. Yeah, that's our word for state.
Okay.
It's the exact same thing. Identical. It's the way we divided our country. You guys have 52 states, or 53, 54, 55. I have no idea how many.
I don't even think we know. Like, sometimes we claim certain states and other times we don't.
Yeah. Well, what confuses me is the Puerto Rico, the Guam, the Hawaii, Alaska, Bermuda, exactly. Barbados, all these are these outliers.
Like, are they states? Are they territories? Are they independent? Like what exactly are they?
Do they fall under British rule?
Well, I think that's another story. I think the whole country might still fall under British rule, don't they?
Territories. So
now, Canada used to be. Let me
finish my cannabis story.
Yeah, you're all about that cannabis story.
I want to get through it. The amount of cannabis in each gummy is so small, you need to eat the whole pack to get anything out of it. You know, like
Really?
Yeah.
Somebody gave me some gummies one time, and I was like, "Whoa, fuck! What happened?"
Yeah, not from the Quebec Cannabis Corporation, because they needed to be safe in case a kid eats it.
Yeah.
So it has to be.
And
safe.
we've been having those problems in the States. They're giving them out in cookies and gummies, and people's kids get into them. That's not cool.
No.
Then again, if you got kids and you're leaving cookies laying around on the counter, What's that say about you as a parent?
Mm.
I would like to try the mushrooms, though. You said y'all got mushrooms, right?
As far as I know, yeah, I think it's now being sold again. It'll be by the government. 10 o'clock. Maybe I need gummies to follow my trading rules. Yes, why is it so difficult to follow trading rules? 10 o'clock is in a minute from now. Anybody know if there's 10 o'clock news on Friday?
Skeletor, is that the gummies with the mushrooms or the gummies with the other
Buy it
stuff?
up a little bit.
They say the mushrooms expand your mind.
Mm. Mary Jane.
Say people are using the microdosing to improve like memory and intelligence.
Mm. Okay, I'm in a 4 lot. Hopefully we go up. Hey, 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 hey.
I think I'm a bit too old to be fighting mystical creatures for 4 hours. But
Mystical creatures.
well, we got to keep it YouTube friendly, right?
It does sound fun. Well, I don't know. Do you know anybody? Do you have any stories? Any firsthand experience or knowledge from somebody? Not firsthand, but like second. I have nothing. Like, do you just sit back and hallucinate, or is it like virtual reality? Do you participate in the hallucinations? You know, if you participate in the hallucinations, it could get pretty dangerous if you're seeing stuff. But if you're just sitting back in the couch and going like, you know, the great adventures of Ted and whoever it was there and going, whoa, that's a different story. Guys ever notice?
I think you're trying to get us in trouble with YouTube.
Yeah.
I may or may not have a little bit of experience with hallucinogens.
No, I meant like, you know, do you know anybody that's tried it? You know, like, have you heard any stories? Come on, push higher. Where are you? Push.
Come on.
We have a lot of cow fields.
Do nice push.
We have a lot of cow fields in Florida. Just saying.
That was nice.
That was nice. Cow fields in Florida. Okay, 159. Did I do my?
But they all treat the cows now. They didn't used to when I was a kid.
What does that mean? Treat the cows?
They give them something to make it where the mushrooms don't grow.
Ah, okay.
I think they might be required to now.
Why cows are sensitive to mushrooms?
People are.
Again, we have an entry? Well, how can I not get in? I'm sorry. The entry's at 46. That means we're going to 53. I'm long at 39.
Again?
My stop is at 32. So 7 points for 14 points. It's a 2-to-1. How can I not take it? It's a 2-to-1 with 70%. I mean, even if I lose, 2-to-1 at 70% is like major profit factor numbers. I'll take out a small piece there at 6 points. Now I'm break even and I'm holding my worst case scenario stop out. No harm, no foul.
What was the entry condition?
A wrinkle bar.
You entered on the black one.
No, top step. I don't follow this chart. This is just
Wait a second.
This
So
is
you
just
put a
for
chart
show.
up for us to follow that you don't follow? Chat, yeah. Chat, what's going on here?
I've been saying that for every stream.
I told you, I got my eye on you now.
Top step. I always say I got a top step entry. That's my other chart that you guys don't see. That's the one that gives me the 70% entries. I can't get it up here because it's on a browser. Where am I going to fit it in?
Look, we didn't ask you if you could get it up. We asked about the chart.
53. We're going to 53. 70% probability. I'm long at 39. That's all that matters. I'm getting out early here at 49 if I can, because I always get out early. Look at that. I try to get out early. It hesitates. It's going
You
to
were
go
supposed
to
to say, what's it matter? You can't follow my trades anyways.
Yeah. Well, no, I trade this chart, but I trade this chart with the bands.
Okay.
But the band. Look where the bands are. They're a mile away, so it's useless.
No bands.
Yeah, no,
those bands, they are a mile away.
Yeah, so there was no trade. There was no trade. It's too bad, but there was no trade.
Yeah, my bands are a mile away too.
And I'm not going to take it now because we're up already 100, 150 points. So I'm taking the top step trades, and I'm trying out my new scalping system. What I tried to get Python to code for me, but it tried not Python to code, GPT. It's GPT 5.0, and it coded it, and there was like 147 errors. Yeah, come on.
Was it
seriously?
for Ninja Trader?
Yeah.
I bet all the errors were like drawing lines.
Well, I wanted it to put in buttons, so I can click a button so it can enter. It can enter in a limit order. Like right now,
They don't know how to do that either.
Yeah. And then it told me, you know what? Let me just prepare it for it. You can just import it as an indicator. I said, no, thank you. Let me compile it and see how many errors are in there before you screw up my system.
Yeah, it's amazing, like the complex stuff that it can code. And then you're like, okay, well, draw me a line here, and it's like brain getting fried.
Yeah. Well, it makes
Is it really that difficult to draw a line in Ninja Trader?
The thing is, I notice it makes a lot of assumptions that you don't want. It, it kind of wants to impress you, or it puts in stuff that you didn't need.
What I absolutely hate the most is when I'm working on an indicator with GPT and everything's going great. Like we're getting this, everything's doing great. And then it gets to a certain point where it sabotages the whole thing.
Yeah. Well, that's why, the software that I wrote there that I said I'm going to give to you for the clipping, I have version 1, version 2, version 3, version 4. And as I was working with GPT, I was saying, okay, we're gonna do it by versions, and if ever we get hung up, we'll just go back to the most recent working version. So this is my end. Huh? I thought you were talking to me. This is
being
where
stalked or something, being hunted.
This is where my entry should have been in.
Being hunted by a cute and cuddly demon.
Yeah, I do have a Top Step account, Ruan. I'm not sure what you're talking about. You're talking about not the heat map. What do they call it there? Okay, gotta get out. Yeah, they call it something. Where can I find it? I think it's in the settings. Chart settings, data hotkeys, API, copy trading. No, it's not there. Trader Hub. Trading. Top Step TV, support. I thought it was in the settings. Performance stats. Trader Hub. Yeah, I know what you're talking about. It should be easy to find.
That's in the Top Step X, right?
Yeah.
Those are the buyers and the sellers.
Yeah, I used to have it. You just got to open up a module. That's all. I know how to use Top Step X pretty decently. but I'm not on full screen, number one. I'm on half screen.
But wouldn't you have to have Top Step to have that?
I do have Top Step. That's how
I
I
think
have
that
my...
was the question. Do you need to have Top Step count to see it?
Well, yeah.
Unless I read the question wrong.
Well, yeah, you do. Yeah.
I mean, I will say that that is valuable information. Do you notice how on Top Step they always fade the people?
Fade. That's what I was going to say. That's a fade.
They're like, we have the best traders in the industry. Oh, they're at 70%. Fade them.
60. It's long at 60. And now I can get in at 56, 4 points better. 60's going to 67. Let's see if we're right. $61, $65, $66, $67. I saw it and didn't get recorded on Top Step yet. That's because Top Step requires a little bit of proof, which is why I like Top Step. That's why you get a lot less false signals. There we go. There's your 67. The 70% trades are killing it today.
Money, money, money.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody likes money on Friday.
Everybody does.
I was trying to find that movie you was telling me about yesterday. Jacob's Ladder.
Jacob's Ladder. Yeah, what a good movie.
Yeah, but they don't have it anywhere. It's like you got to rent it.
Oh, really? It's old.
Like all these services we got, and we can't even watch a movie from 1990.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I was going to say. It's an old movie.
I guess they got a newer one, too, but the views on the new one suck. I think 2019 or something.
Okay.
And apparently there's a series.
I don't know.
I think I'd rather watch the original movie.
Yeah.
I see a line on my chart. Breaking the high.
The retest was a beautiful trade, eh? The 15-minute opening range retest. That's a really solid trade that you pointed out. You brought to our attention.
I think I took a
omnibus.
Took a drawdown. Yeah, maybe. I took about 3 ticks of drawdown.
Yeah. No, that's a really solid trade. It's been really lately. Since we've been watching it, it's been really performing well. What'd you pull out of that? 10 points?
Me?
Yeah.
11? It was 11.
Okay. I got the same thing, but I doubled up in size because I got in early. So I got in a few points early, and then I added on the retest. And then because of that, I only took 5 points on my first piece and 5 points on my second piece.
It's crazy how many different ways there is to trade that open range breakout. And all of them are good ways. I was watching a video this morning. I've seen it before, but I was watching it. Showed up again this morning. The guy was talking about if Friday's high doesn't break Thursday's high.
Is that Tom?
Might be. I don't know. Friday's high doesn't break Thursday's high, then Monday's likely to retest Thursday's low.
Yeah, Tom Bugart has a lot of those statistical I don't know, the ideas, whatever. But the problem is, it's like my 1, 2, 3 punch. You know, if we broke the Asia high, we broke the Asia low, there's an 80% chance we're going to break the Asia high. But it could be any time of the day. The markets can still open, go down 400 points, trade sideways, go down another 200 points, trade sideways, then go up and take out the Asia high. You know, it gives you an idea, but you can't just swing the bat at that because you don't know when that's going to happen.
I agree with that, but there's just certain statistics that are insane. And I feel like you really can't ignore them.
Mm.
Like
You can't.
opening up outside of the previous day's value area and then going
Okay.
back into it and
I have a whole book on that.
reaching the other side of the value area.
Wow, that's I have that book right in front of me, right here, right there, for me to read and look at.
Like you said, the problem is finding the entry.
Yeah.
And of course, it's going to try to fake everybody out before it does it. I think the same guy was saying that if Wednesday's high doesn't break Monday's high,
It's definitely
then
gonna.
it's likely to go down and test the low.
That's either Tom Hugard or somebody copying Tom Hugard. Somebody copying his research. Yeah, he was very research oriented.
I feel like there should be a book with just full of stuff like that.
Mm.
Like that's the kind of stuff we want to read. We got bearish engulfing candles on the 5 minutes. ES and MQ.
So if you take a look at my screen, this is that scalping system that, again, you might not have a chance to. Hold on. I'll have to get out. Okay. I was going to say that was the scalping system. You can see how you can set up trades where you have about a 2-to-1 risk to return, quick scalps for like, oops, got to get out of that one, for like 7 points. And you risk about 3. If you want to stretch it, you can go for more. Hopefully you get some continuation. Anyways, I'm gonna code it myself. Butterstones, good morning. I see your question about volatility returning to the markets, which would be nice, but I don't want that 50.1 minute candle 50 point. I remember when it was 100 points.
Mm-hmm. That's what I was saying. Trump's kind of known for markets like that.
And it wasn't just one 100-point candle. I think there was like 30 consecutive that day that I remember.
It'll be back. Yeah, it'll be back. It won't be long.
I'll be back. I don't know. He's pretty much done everything he wanted to do.
Who?
Trump. He's got the tariffs in. He's done the immigration thing already. It's in progress. He's going after all the scumbags that went after him. I don't know why they went after him. They really laid all their cards on the table, eh? Because by going after him like that, you had to know that it was gonna be tit for tat. And now you know what? Problem is, I've said this already. It's gonna be tit for tat forever. Your political system now is gonna spend all its time going after its opponents every time someone's in power.
That's nothing new.
No, not to this degree. Going after ex-presidents, that's a line that the Democrats shouldn't have crossed. You don't go and try to prosecute a president. Shit, look how many people they went after. They went after his whole team, everybody that was associated with him.
I seen something about one of his team members being jumped in DC or something.
Oh, yeah.
They said something about the guy's name was Big Balls. You heard that?
No, I didn't hear that.
Sounds like a joke, doesn't it?
It does. I thought you were joking.
I seen some guy talking. Benny Johnson talking about it yesterday.
Okay. There, I have another one of the trades up, if you can see.
He had a Big Balls bat signal.
Yeah.
I feel like we need a Big Balls bat signal.
Are you looking? Are you seeing my take profit and my stop loss to see how it gets configured?
I see it. Well, point it out. Talk us through it.
Entered here, stop loss, take profit. I can't go more than that. Unfortunately, we just got ticked. I would have gotten out, but I'm trying to get you to see it. So just to see how
Are you blaming me again?
Yes. I took it. Okay, here, talk it out. You see all these little black wicks, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we're on bullish candles.
Uh-huh.
We're also on bullish candles on top step. So if top step is bullish and this chart is bullish, if I get in on a wick, I can set myself up for about a 4-point stop loss with a 7 to 10 point take profit. So every time there's a wick, there was a wick right here. All of them, you can take all of them. As soon as it goes black, boom, enter. Well, there you go. My stop loss is here. I'll put in my stop loss, stop market. So what is that? 52.56. It's a 4-point stop loss. And my take profit would have been 63. So 52 to 63 would have been 11. So that one would have been 11 points for 4 points. Now I'm not going to take any more. I'm going to wait till it goes bullish again. But you get so many of them. Yeah, you're going to lose on the one that reverses. But you're only losing like 4 points. And the other ones, and if you're good at holding, you can go for 16, 20 points. So combine the two. Actually, you can even make it more powerful and combine 3 because I also have a 12.
I feel like that would be pretty easy to code.
Yeah, it's very easy to code. And somehow GPT couldn't.
You could also set it as an alert.
Like here it is again now. We're bullish. I want to get in when the candle turns black. That's all.
So all your conditions is you want 2 consecutive bullish candles. Then you want to get in at...
No, not 2 consecutive bullish candles. It has nothing to do with that. Bullish candles here. So I'm going to get in again. And now I'll put in my take profit about here. And
do you ever use the alert system to code?
I don't even know what that is.
It's so much easier to do stuff with, but I wish they would make the coding system like the alert system. Just, what do you right click on the chart, right?
Okay.
Hold on. Yeah, then click on alert. Finish your trade first.
So look where my stop is now. Like no stop at all because another bar formed. So really you're not risking, the risk is tiny and you catch some really big moves. But anyways, go on. Yeah, alert. No, I never played with the alerts. I never coded the alerts.
It's just an easy way you can set up stuff, but it doesn't really stay. Right click on the chart, click alerts, and then you can set up what's on the chart, and you can set up buy orders, sell orders.
Oh, oof, that's looks like a lot of work.
No, it's like super easy. And you can set your ATM strategy and everything. Everything you can't do with the actual system you should be able to do it on.
Yeah, that's just for one level.
What do you mean?
It's just for, making an alert at one level.
No.
That's a one.
No, it's not. You're not listening.
It's a one and done.
No.
Well, then I don't understand how it works.
Okay. You set it up. You have conditions. It's the same way you do your program and the Ninja Trader thing you use.
Okay.
What do you call it?
Strategy.
Not Ninja Script. Huh?
Strategy developer or something like that.
Yeah, strategy builder. It's the same as strategy builder, but you set it up for alerts, and it already has your indicators on the chart. So you can go in there, you can add. It's going to show you your indicators. You're going to pick which indicator you want. Set it all up. And then you're going to click on actions. You're going to click buy order, sell order. You're going to click your ATM strategy.
Wow. Okay. Well,
Submit an order. You select your account. You select your ATM strategy. You select time and focus.
wow.
Buy type, limit, market.
Okay, so let's try it right now. If all the conditions are met. Okay, so where's price? What the hell is this? Data series, high, low, open, close, shade, high, low, open. How many high, low opens can you have? I just wanted price.
What are you looking for? Price. You have data series. That's price.
Ah, that was drawing objects. Okay. Ah, I get you. So if the high no, not the high. If the close is greater than the open, that means it's a bullish bar. Okay. So then we got there.
Now you want that 1 bar go.
Well, yeah, that was bar 0. It was already at bar 0. Edit. It's
bar 0 is going to be the current bar.
Why is this on every tick or is this on close? If it's on tick, then it's the current bar. But if it's on close, on bar close, then it's see, it doesn't tell. I don't know what it is. If it's on bar close, you're not setting that.
I would assume bar 0 is current bar.
Again, depends. Bar 0 is current bar if you're using tick data or price change data. If you're using on bar close, bar 0 is the most recent bar to have closed. I'm going to assume it's bar 0. Bar 0 is the most recent one. Well, I'm not going to enable it. Name, let's call it Scalper.
And then to turn it on and off, you just have to go to alerts and then turn it on or off. What I normally do is 1 for buy, 1 for sell. Then you can turn them on and off from the alert panel.
Okay.
All right. I gotta redo my drink. Be right back.
Yeah. It doesn't work. He sent me down the wrong rabbit hole. It doesn't work. Why? Because I can't do any settings for the limit order for the buy. I just have to enter in a price. I don't know what the price is going to be when it happens. So yeah, it's for conditions. It's one of. I was right. Oh, we got the previous day's high right there. Not a great place to be long. I'm getting out. I'm getting out. We're getting up to the previous day's high. We bounced off it once. Doesn't mean we're going to bounce off it a second time. The second time is a weaker touch. That's actually one of my favorite trades. The retest of a previous day's high from below. The retest of the previous day's low from above. Make a video on that too. My favorite trade. Volume 1. Got to get back to making videos. Now my life will be a little less busier. It was busy for a while. You were wrong.
About what?
It is one ofs. I'll show you why. Give me just a half a second.
It is what?
Reminder, don't say anything. My favorite trade, volume 1. My favorite trade, volume 2. My favorite trade, volume 3. Retest of 15-minute OR. Fade of retest. Previous day's high from below. Previous day's low from above. Don't say anything. Here. So let me get to the alert. Boom, alerts, right? I created this one scalper, right? So the condition is when the close is above the open, it's an up bar. I want to enter in a buy order at 10 points below, 10 ticks below the previous close.
Mm-hmm.
So I come down here, I go add, submit an order. The order type is buy market. It's a limit order. There's my quantity, day, limit price. I can't set it. I have to actually type in the limit price. I have to type in 23,565. So this is a one of. This is for when you want a retest of a certain level, or this is specific. When you're in strategy builder, I could have clicked over here and I could have selected high of previous candle with an offset, but here I can't do anything. I actually have to type in a specific price. So
set it as a market order.
It's only single use, but market order is no good. Now I'm gonna make 5 points and lose 10. I need it to come back.
So a limit order is an order that turns into a market order when price hits it.
Well, okay.
So you're setting the same thing.
No, I'm not, because
telling it you want a limit is telling it that you want it to be at this price. You don't want it at that price. You want it per the chart.
Yeah, but the condition doesn't allow me to do that because the condition is a bullish bar.
Once again, set it as a market order.
Well, then it would buy up here instead of buying down here.
You're setting the price.
What are you eating?
Cinnamon bun.
No, it sounds like pistachios. I'm hearing
cinnamon
you.
Bun.
Really? What's the noise then? What are you cracking? What do you not
Nobody listening
get?
to me eat.
The condition is, why aren't you trading, number one?
Number one, because I don't like where the price is at.
Okay, perfect.
And
so
when it came down to my spot, you know what I did? I took a trade. That puts me up, 3 trades on the day?
Yeah.
It's a Friday. My charts are all green.
So
what's the problem?
Yeah, I'm good too. I can open up my accounts. We're coming up to 10:30. I can put up. You can see how I did for the day.
Now I can eat my cinnamon bun and talk about Ninja Trader stuff.
We can argue.
I need to make more videos on this stuff. It's amazing how much Ninja Trader does that people don't know about.
There you go. There's my day. The only account I didn't trade is MFFU. User. That user is funding traders. 317. Take profit trader up 213. So I'm only 370 away now from passing 2 Apex accounts.
Anyways, you want to set your price as opposed to the candle and then put a negative. Set it for like ticks or points and put a negative so many below it.
Yeah, listen. When this bar closes, bullish, right?
Look, I've had this same setup program several times. Okay.
When this bar closes bullish, that's the condition that I put in. A bullish candle, right? If I'm going to enter a market order, it's going to buy over here where my arrow is. Give you 8 seconds to see.
Look, what you could also do is candle open. Buy candle open minus however many points to the candle close bottom.
That assumes it's working. Yeah, if it's working on tick data, I can do it. If it's working on
look, I could probably program it faster than I can tell you.
But there was no minus. There was no offset. It didn't give me the opportunity
what's the
for
Renko?
the offset. 2010.
2010 Renko.
It didn't give me the option for an offset. It doesn't give you anything.
Look, we're fixing to program it.
Submit an order account.
We're fixing to do it.
I have to choose the account also?
Yeah. What do you want it to buy every account you have?
No, I wanted to do it on the chart that it's applied to. You mean this doesn't get applied to a chart? It's not like an indicator or a strategy?
It is. It's on the chart you're on, but you've got to tell it what account you want it to be. Come on, man.
Come on, man.
All right. So all we want to do is we want to buy. We want it to be a bullish condition, right?
Yeah.
So let's set it up. Let's do it. You help me do it. Okay.
So
Alert
on the
condition,
top,
rearm. We're going to leave it for never right now. Go put buy.
No. Conditions. First, you got to do the conditions.
No, first I'm going to name it, okay? We're going to name it buy, so I know which one I'm working on.
Okay.
All right, so now we're going to work on the conditions. So we want price to be greater than, what do we want? Want to put in EMA or something?
No. Data series price. Price type is the close. The close has to be greater than the open.
Choosing bullish or bearish.
Yeah, well, that's bullish. The close is greater than the open.
So we're going to buy every candle that the close is greater than the open.
Yep.
Why do you have bands on your chart?
No, this is a fast scalper. This is based on watching the top step charts.
Okay. You like it, I like it. Whatever. Okay. So we want the
here, I have it up
close
on my
of candle 1 to be greater than.
Let's go with 1.
The open
of candle 1.
Of candle 1. That's it.
Okay.
Next condition.
No, wait. We're even going to test it. So I'm going to test it on sim. There's no more conditions. That's it. The other condition is visual. I'm only going to arm it when top step has a bullish candle.
Next condition. 0 candle. What do we got set? Open. That's where it gets confusing. So what we want to do is we want to buy the open.
That would be in actions, not in conditions.
That's what happened. Numeric value. I have to figure it out. How do we tell the condition that we want to open? See if we can do open equals open. I don't know if that'll work. Say open equals open. Offset minus pips. Not pips, ticks. And then what do you got? About 10 points?
Yeah, 11. You need it to go black. 10 points.
So 11 times 4 would be what, 44? So minus 44.
No, not points. Ticks. 11 ticks.
Ticks, yeah, ticks. That's what I meant.
Yeah, so it's 11.
But then wouldn't that change the candle?
No, that'll only change it black. Now it's got to go down 20. It's a 20-10. So once it turns black, it needs to go another 20 in order to turn black. In order to be completed and form.
Let's try it. I don't know if it'll work like that. We got to figure out how to create the buy condition.
Yeah, you can't.
We'll set it for sim account, buy market, 5, ATM strategy. What do you got, 10 points?
No, your risk is 20. Actually, 18.
Well, I'm just going to give it 1 for now to try it.
18, and it is 30 to 40, depending on what you want to choose. Go for 32.
I'm gonna copy it.
I like 32 and 18.
Sell. And then let's reverse the strategy. So I want close to be less than.
Now you're doing like GPT. You're getting complicated.
What are you talking about?
Well, now you're reversing the strategy.
Well, I don't want to wait forever for it to do whatever.
Well, just test one side. You just got to test it.
I am.
Okay, make it complicated.
Hey, it takes 2 seconds. Look, I'm already done.
I know, but now it makes it harder for you to troubleshoot if you put in so much.
Now we got to wait for the condition, see what it does. I don't know if the open equals open will trigger it. What we could do is Maybe if the...
You're not going to get in the good price. I'm telling you.
Maybe if the close is greater than the...
Where's my cell phone? Are you still on? Why did my cell phone close? See, even my cell phone got upset. It closed on you. Let's get you back up.
Anyways, we're setting the limit price with the market order. We're telling the market where we want... Telling the market order where we want it to enter. Which is the same as a limit order.
I don't see your wrinkle charts anyways on your screen, so...
I could try it, but it never seems to work nowadays. I don't know why. What kind of chart just never works? Hey, it's working.
A broken
There you
one?
go. You see it now?
No, I'm in a trade.
What did I do wrong? Oh, I didn't press that button.
Wow, I see wrinkle. Oh, okay, you switched. I got you there. So is that 2010?
Yeah.
Okay, so you have green and red. You're using green and red.
So mine looks different than yours.
Remember, I'm colorblind. Yeah, it does. I don't see how that's 2010. I almost don't believe you. Look at your down.
Skeletor, what's up?
You got an up and an up. You got two up bars that I don't have.
Are you lagging? I got more candles than you.
That's not 2010. Show me your data. Go on your data thing.
Skeletor, you hear that way? You hear this way he's talking to me? Saying I'm lying to him and all kinds of stuff.
I think you're making
a mistake. 3 days, right?
But that shouldn't matter.
Does it say 2010? You can't see it. Oh, what the fuck?
Move it into visual. Brick size. Are you sure you're using Ninzarenko and not somebody else?
I got Ninzarenko, yes. 2010, 3 days. You sure you're on 2010?
Brick size. What size is it? Says brick size 20? Yeah, look, it's on my screen.
You can't see it.
Maybe
you got over top of it. Yeah, 2010. 3 days. Ninja Trader's so inconsistent with everything.
No, it's not possible. My son does it also. That's just way too off. Look, I got a down bar. I got two down bars. You don't even have a down bar yet. Now you have a down bar. Oh, you're on a delay. I'm sorry. I forgot you're on an 8-second delay.
I'm working on the fourth down bar. So are you.
Yeah.
But you're missing a candle. You're missing 3 candles.
Yeah.
What the heck?
There's a delay. So I can't really look at what I have compared to what you have. Anyways, you see that you just turned yellow right there? You should be selling. Okay, you sell, and now you let it go for about 10 points down. But if it turns green, you get out. Why, if it turns green? And now you could scalp. You could have even taken 5 points right there. That's 5 points. 6, 7, that's 7 points.
Yeah, I don't think the condition worked. Got to find a better entry condition. I don't think the open equals open's working.
It just turned green. So you would have sold again automatically, and they could have taken a profit again. And sell. See, you sell right now.
You're being too complicated.
No, every time it turns green, when the previous bar is red, right now, that cover, that was a loss. Now
you're being too complicated.
It's so simple. Oh, wait a minute. I'm on a delay. If you're looking at it live, you got to be looking at your stream and listening to me live through Discord. Look at your stream. Don't look at your live chart. That's why you're getting confused. Because I'm calling out stuff based on your stream. You're looking at your live chart and it doesn't match.
I don't understand him either. He's being difficult.
He didn't match. No, you got to watch my stream. You got to watch my stream and listen to my stream.
Okay, calm down.
No, but you can't listen to me on Discord. You have to close Discord and you have to listen to the stream so you don't get confused. Because the
only thing we're missing is a proper buy condition.
You can't do it. I'm telling you, you can't do it.
What are you
have
talking about?
You have to do it in Strategy Builder. You can do it, but it's got to be done in Strategy Builder.
I've only done it 1,000 times before.
Well, I'll go with you don't understand what I'm trying to code then.
Okay. Talk about something different. I'll figure it out and I'll let you know when. Hard to figure it out when you keep telling me everything I'm doing is wrong.
Well, that I think was because of the 8-second delay.
Let's move on. Hey, could have a buy signal.
Yeah, I'm in already. We got to get to 88. 88, you bastards. 88, I got in a little bit early. Can I share my chart? What it looks like in Discord. Yeah, around 11:15. Right now, I'm still kind of trading. I don't want to get a little distracted. But yeah, definitely, we'll do that. We got time for that. Fuck off. Didn't even make one bar yet. Lighten up.
Push.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Thank you.
Come on, push now. Do nice push for us. Yes. Come on, push.
Yeah, that was nice.
Yeah, your chart won't. No, your chart will be live. Everything is broadcast. I don't know how I can not broadcast it. If I go in the live room, unless I shut down the stream. If you want to do it off when we close up the stream. But if I were to go in a room, Ruan, with you, it's broadcasting it's broadcasting everything. The visuals and the audio.
Sounds like he's just wanting to send you a picture.
Oh, okay. If you want to just send a picture, yeah, do that in Discord. I'll take a look. Send it to the general.
And he can tell you if he wants you to put the picture live or not. At least that's what I got from reading it.
Yeah.
Skeletor, how's your trading today? Any good trades?
Yeah, okay, I'll go look now. I'm out of my trade already. Think you guys were able to see that.
Did you take profit? Or you got out?
I got out a piece for profit and a piece for loss, and the loss was greater than the profit, unfortunately.
Yeah, looks like it's going against me.
Butters
is we got the delta.
Butters is in the public room again, trying to fish us in.
Yeah, but last time I went there, anyone talked to us.
Yeah, I know. As I'm saying, trying to fish us in again.
We got the silent treatment. No, we can go public. It's Friday. Let me get out of this trade.
He's got a scam going. They're probably betting how many times they can get us to go in the room and not say anything.
What's Skeletor's bot strategy? You know it?
No.
They tell you?
Well, it's based on the Rankos. I'm not sure if it was the bands. I mean, we were discussing the bands. We were testing the
get
bands.
Out of this trade. I don't like it's come back to my entry a few times. It's Friday. I ain't trying to fight this stuff. Give me what I want or go away.
Well, I got a top step entry at 88, so we should go to 95.
All right, if you want to go to public, we can. Whatever.
Yeah, let me just
mess around some. Well, we could do 1047. I don't know if you wanted to do the coin flip or.
Wait, let's just get to 95 and then we'll worry about it.
All right.
I got a 10 lot here long.
Not really interested in this stuff.
It's larger size than normal, which means the market will not play ball until it becomes not larger size than normal. Butters, don't talk to me. Yeah, Butters, he goes in there and he doesn't talk. I guess he's just comfortable. Well, I'm gonna add a 10 lot if I get an entry. If you stop me out, you stop me out. You take away my day's profits on this account. I don't really care. It's a really goofy account. Hopefully we get a bounce. Hopefully the buyers come back in. There was just a little bit of seller thing. We never know. We never know. I'm waiting for a bullish candle. My stop is at 74. We're 2 points away. It's almost stupid not to add here for 2 points. Well, I'm going to kind of add if I can. Okay. Well, hopefully they don't do a rug pull. Let's go. Get over 80. I can get out of a small piece. No good. Get back over. Hey, wrong way. Come on, buyers. Boosh. Where are the buyers? Everybody backed off. Come on, you did that already once. There we go.
Yeah, it keeps going back and forth.
Just take me out. There we go. There we go. I made a little bit off that. So I did a poll if people want visibility to return to the markets. Apparently
visibility.
They do.
You know,
Visibility.
volatility.
Ah, volatility. Aren't they the same thing? I thought that was the same thing.
Of course, we want to see the market.
Okay. Let's go. Let's switch rooms.
Uh,
You want to race? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, go.
I'm drinking my drink.
That's how I win.
This guy sees a drink in my hand. He wants to race.
But what's the race? First one to have it up on their stream?
I've already got it. Where you been?
What do you mean you got it? You can't be. You're not in the public chat room. Look at the fucking cheater.
Guess I am in the public chat room.
Excuse me, when there's a race, you're supposed to say 1, 2, 3, go. You know that, right? You know that, right?
No, I'll tell you the same thing I tell my kids. No, I'll tell you the same thing I tell my kids. You find yourself in a fair fight, your strategy sucks. Don't blame my strategy. My strategy worked.
Fucking guy just goes.
Blame your strategy, not mine.
There we go. I got all four up. Let me see yours. Oh, look at you. Why are yours sideways? Oh, you're not doing pop out.
What?
No
What does that
wonder
even
why
mean?
you're always screwed up. There you go.
Still screwed up.
Well, yeah, but now you fix it. Now it'll always be right, like mine. Once you fix it, now you know what you got to do to get it. Now
What?
you'd have, you do pop out, and then
What the heck's a pop out?
you make it full screen. I'm gonna have to do share screen with you.
Guys, what are we going to do with this guy today?
Yeah, it's all these Prism users. They're always confused.
What is
Never
this?
used Prism.
Apex Legends.
Fucking.
Yeah, why does it keep going up there?
Who do we got here? We got Skeletor.
And now I'm going to change it, and then tomorrow when we come in, it's going to be all messed up.
No. It shouldn't be messed up. It should always be perfect. That's why mine are always right. See, if someone comes in now, mine's gonna pick it up. You capture this window, the full window, the pop-out window. You capture the full window, no matter how it changes.
What are you talking about? Pop-out window?
You didn't pop out your window?
Heck are you talking about?
Look at my stream. Hold on. That's a centimeter. Let's call that a centimeter, and let's call that 2 centimeters. Look at my window. Look at my stream. I just moved away my thing. Wait, it's not there yet. There you go. See, I have a pop-out window. It's not Discord. It's just the cameras.
How do you pop it out? Pop out.
And look, no matter where I go, you see that the camera feed is still there because
Damn, Apex Legends again.
It's capturing the window. So I can do anything with this window. The size, the shape of everybody can change. It's capturing the whole thing, no matter where it is. So if somebody leaves, somebody comes in, I never have to make any changes. So just capture the window, then crop it, put it in place, and save it. And then when you're in public, you just go back to capturing the window. And whoever, if it's 2 people, it's perfect. If it's 4 people, it's perfect. If it's 9 people, it's perfect. You don't have to make any changes, no matter how it moves around, because you're capturing that whole pop-up window.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning. Good morning.
My PC.
It would be so much easier if you just let me come over and show you.
I thought that brother don't want to talk to me.
No, Butters comes in here and gives us the silent treatment.
Yeah, that's right.
You did that yesterday. We saw you yesterday. I don't know if you noticed it.
There?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
I must have been doing. Who knows what I was doing? All
Yeah.
sorts of stuff.
You were busy with your hands, right?
No, not that.
No, I mean
Sometimes
doing woodworking.
Sometimes you got to put on extra lotion.
Woodworking. Is your whole room and your desk everything complete?
Complete enough
Complete enough
Well,
is good.
to where I'm using it. I'm finding out that carpet is fucking expensive.
Oh, yeah. And causes a lot of static. I'm surprised that you didn't want to go with like a floating floor or anything like that.
I don't know. I might have to look into other options, but
Yeah.
man, I really want carpet down here. It'd be awesome.
I'm not really a handyman. I put in floating floor into the room there where my son is. And it, I don't know, it lifted and there's gaps. It's a big mess.
Is that the floor that like snaps together?
Yeah. I thought I did a good job, but didn't work out.
I really want to do carpet because around around this perimeter where all the drainage is now,
Yeah.
it's the concrete that they added is like raised up, so like a hard floor isn't going to sit flat at all, you know?
Mm.
How are you guys doing on the day today? I see Mike looks green.
I'm having a good day. I'm playing a little aggressively here with an account from Funding Futures. But the other accounts that matter the most, like that Take Profit Pro account, the Apex, I'm not really playing with. But I'm trying to not only trade more aggressively, but trade aggressively with discipline, because you know what? That's always been my my downfall. When I trade more aggressively, I lose my discipline.
Yeah.
I have it at 2 lots and 3 lots. I'm a master. And then I go to larger lots and suddenly, like I was saying before, I don't want to take my losses because they're too large in my mind.
Yeah, I've really been trying to focus on, hey, if you take a loss, it's just a part of the statistical probability.
Yeah. I don't know if you've ever heard my analogy. I talked about it, but if you own a restaurant, you know, and you get your deliveries of your alcohol or your food, you got to write a check for that. If you don't got to pay right away, even if you have terms at the end of the month, you got to pay for it. That's a loss. That's a loss in trading. That's cash coming out of your account and going to somebody else. You know, every business has it in one way or another.
Yeah.
But in a restaurant, if somebody asks how you did today and you bought $20,000 of booze and steak and your restaurant only brought in $5,000 in sales, you're not going to say I lost $15,000 because money went out and less came in. But and you're not going to try and make it up. You're not going to raise your prices by 700% and try and make it up right away. So, it's a lot of it is perspective. So, yeah,
I like the analogy. Yeah.
I really noticed that it's not the fact that I'm trading larger size that's causing the damage. The damage is that I'm unwilling to accept the loss. I said, I just got to do, like, I've seen what I got to do now. I've done it long enough. I think since the competition started, I've really been, and even a little bit before that, when I started with the clicker, I've noticed enough already that if you take your losses, if I take my losses, I can't speak on anybody else. I don't know how you guys trade. If I take my losses, I recover quickly. And I've seen it so many times now. I'm saying to myself, wow, what an idiot. Why weren't you taking your losses? As long as you don't dig yourself into a deep hole. And what do I mean by a deep hole? Minus 300 is acceptable. Minus 900 is not. Like I lose $300 in an account. It's irrelevant. I can make that up max 2 days. Simple. No stress, nothing. Just don't put the accounts at risk. Don't drive your car at 700 miles an hour. I have a better analogy. Don't ride your motorcycle throughout the whole night.
Yeah.
Take breaks. Do you take breaks when you did that all-night ride?
We did. We took a good amount of breaks.
Yeah.
The one I did previously, I took my own. Yeah, you gotta let this stay. The one I did previously, I took kind of my own break. I split off and.
Oh, really?
And went back to the hotel for about a half an hour and got a snack and. But
how many of you were there?
Hard to say. There's usually less as the night goes on, and then and then in the morning people will wake up and go back out and try to ride with them on live.
Yeah, all guys, or you bring the spouses?
Oh, mostly all guys.
Yeah.
There's some people riding 2-up and stuff like that.
Okay.
I think one of the best pieces of advice I got from riding motorcycles was you got to ride your own ride.
Oh, yeah.
You can't try to do what everybody else is doing. You start getting fatigued or something, take a break or ride at your own pace. You want to ride as a group, but you got to remember to ride your own ride also. I think the same thing goes for trading. Got to ride your own ride. Especially if you're a beginner at riding bikes, you don't want to try to keep up with the people trying to go faster.
Mm.
Oh, yeah. Oh, come on. She's so tired.
Yeah,
But you get used to you ride with the same people for a while. You get used to how people ride.
Yeah, I like riding with. Okay, I'll put you to bed soon. Great. All right. I like riding with people who I know and who I'm comfortable riding around.
Yeah, because you ride with them a few times, you start picking up on small cues that they do.
Yeah.
Like you got some people that want to fly into the curb real fast. You got other people that want to slow down and then fly out the curve real fast.
All right, I'll be right back. I got to put my daughter down here.
No problem.
Any big plans for the weekend?
No, not really. Gonna take it easy and gonna do work. I haven't been able to work on YouTube for a long fucking time now. It's been almost 2 weeks since I started with the deck. House stuff has been taking my my time away. Yesterday was the boy's birthday, and I don't know, just every day was something. It was really getting to me, getting very frustrated. I still haven't even dealt with YouTube problem that I got to send them an email for. So that's on schedule today. That's going to get
Oh, you
done.
already emailed them.
No. I have to. GPT said that you should create a video. If you create a video, they'll escalate it. If you don't send them a video, you just send them images. AI is going to handle it probably, or there's a chance it'll get handled poorly, you know? And this is a problem that needs more than just AI to take care of. Now, the account, I think, is crisscrossed with another account. I think it's mixed up with another account.
I got a message from one, I don't remember if it was YouTube or Facebook, telling me that I need to send them a video of myself.
Yeah.
Like, no, I've never sent you a video before. Why would I do it now?
Sounds like Facebook.
I don't like all this. Send me a video of yourself. Who the
I
hell are
went
you?
to
Are you
fa-
the government? The FBI?
I went to Facebook the other day to look around, and I saw a post by Omnius, and it said Omnius is associated with Omnius. I said to myself, how many fucking Omniuses are there?
I don't know why they won't just let you like switch the account type. They make it so difficult for everything. And then they get mad when you're like, screw it, I'll just start over and create a new one. Like, I didn't want to start over. You did this to me. You get mad at me because you won't just allow somebody to change account type. And then, not only do you have to change accounts, so you have to pat your head, rub your belly, hop on one foot. It's like, fuck, just let me do what I want to do.
Yeah.
Let's move on with life.
Yeah, but there's a lot of spamming and a lot of stuff that makes the site unusable and unfun to use. So that's the net you're getting caught in, you know?
Yeah, but you're telling people to use this certain account type. Okay, fine. Let's use it then. But then you're saying, no, wait a second, it can't be an add-on account. It's got to be your base account. Well, okay, well, why didn't you tell me that when I started it a year ago? You know? Then they tell you to set up a professional page. So you do that, and then they say, oh, well, you can't do this on the professional page. You have to set up a personal page and then tell it that it's professional.
Yeah.
Well, what's the point in the professional page?
Well, at least you're getting some guidance. I think it's terrible how... you know what? Maybe there is guidance. You know that video you sent me about the profanity?
Yeah, on YouTube.
Yeah, I subscribe to that channel so I don't forget it. I don't lose it. Maybe that's where you find out all the guidance on YouTube. Go click and watch their videos. And not all of them, but, you know, look at the ones that interest you or whatever.
What's funny is their best advice is they pretty much tell you not to follow what other people tell you. It's like, guys, you can't watch all those videos about YouTube and believe them. They're just there for clicks.
Yeah.
Well, who do you want us to believe? Why don't you just tell us?
You know,
Stop making it so difficult.
You gotta hope some people are doing their research properly and giving you good tips, just like when I back test the system, you know? Somebody's got to be testing this and checking if these things are working or not working. Okay, bathroom break for me. I'll be back in a sec. I'm going to check your stream. You see? Your stream worked perfectly.
No, it didn't.
Yeah,
you ruined everything. I had to fix it all.
No, I'm looking at your stream. You still got 4 windows. It's perfect.
I know. I had to reset it.
You didn't reset it.
Yes, I did.
It was instant.
It's literally on stream. Go back and watch it.
I'm going to do it again. I'm going to turn on my camera. Forget it. There we go. We're back. 1, 2, 3. There, look. Perfect. Oh, let me guess. You manually reset it again?
Yeah, I couldn't do a pop out.
No, you're not resetting it. That was instant. Now you're below me on your stream. On your stream. About?
What are you doing?
Are you looking at your stream? I'm the top image, you're the second one, right?
See that,
But
yeah.
Butters is number 3 and Skeletor is number 4.
But Skeletor don't want to be number 4. He wants to be number 2.
Now I just closed my camera. Boom, you're number 1. Butters is 2. I'm 3. And
I
Skeletor
want
is
to
4.
be 1.
You want to be? Skeletor wants to be on the top.
Or number 1.
Yeah.
How do we put
You're-
Skeletor on top?
I have no idea.
We'll figure it
Skeletor,
out.
he has to go out and come in.
Now you're kicking him out of the room?
He has to go out. He has to go out and come in.
It didn't
Go
work.
out. See, there you go. He went out and he came in. And your screen adjusted perfectly. No, it didn't work. Sorry, Skeletor.
Poor Skeletor, can't catch a break.
I tried. Okay, I'm going. I'll be back.
Shake it more than twice. You're playing with it. Did Mike ever look at that chart somebody was telling him to look at?
What chart?
Who was it? Somebody was telling him to look at a chart. Skeletor, is that you telling him to look at a chart? I can't find it. I don't know.
Nope.
Might have been ruined. Y'all's kids go back to school next week. Guess send my kids back to school Monday.
Yes, on Monday. Middle school.
Middle school this Monday.
Yeah.
I think I got 2 more years before middle school. It's weird because where I live, they made 6th grade elementary school. But in the school my kids go to, they put them in a whole different building outside of the school.
Had 6th
Okay.
grade in elementary school? That's crazy.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
My elementary school went up to 4th.
4th grade? Wow.
Yeah. 5th grade,
So
you're in middle school.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I know most. I apparently that's not normal. I think most are elementary school until 5th grade, and then 6th grade is middle school.
Yeah, that's the way it used to be. And then they made it to where 6th grade's in middle or 5th grade. No, 6th grade's in elementary school.
That's crazy. I guess it makes sense though.
I don't know if it's all of Florida that did that or just my county, because they shut down a bunch of schools. And I don't know, they're doing stupid shit. They decided to shut down a bunch of schools, and then they're building a bunch of schools. But then they're shutting them down before they're building them. Like, shouldn't we build schools before we go shutting schools down?
Probably. That might be the move.
So it's good they're ambitious. They want to build schools. But we should have that infrastructure in place before we go shutting schools down. So now they're scattering the kids everywhere, trying to figure out what to do with them.
Yeah. I would love to get, to make some money doing trading so that I can afford to like homeschool my kid. I think that would be fucking awesome.
Oh yeah, I think it'd be awesome. What I think would be a little bit more awesome was to have somebody else homeschool them.
Yeah.
They have things where they do like homeschool at like schools.
Yeah.
I don't mean like at schools, but like for instance, we have by our house, there's a karate place, and they do school in there, but it's like it's based on homeschool, and then they have tutors. So your kid's basically kind of homeschooled at a karate place.
Oh, cool.
I was trying to talk my wife into doing that. She's scared to pull my kids out of their school because they're in probably the best elementary school in the county, and it's a charter school. So if you leave, it's not don't mean they're going to take you back.
Okay.
She had to try really hard to get the kids in there. So she's worried she pulls them out, she won't be able to get them back in. But I thought it sounded cool. I thought they had a cool program over there. Basically, it's like homeschool. You work at your own pace. It's like homeschool, but you got tutors and teachers right there to do it, and you don't have to do it. And I think if you homeschool, you got to pay for that out of pocket, I think, to where the in-class school that they'd be doing there, I think the state still pays for. Y'all still looking for longs? Shorts?
I've
Y'all
been
still
marinating on this gold short like all morning.
gold short? I got gold.
It's
What time frame? 5 minutes?
I think it's gonna go, but it's just sitting here in drawdown, the entire time.
Looks like it's going short.
Yeah, my
Yeah,
entry
push up.
sucks, though.
Push up, come back down. Failed push up, another push up, come back down. Then this one. We on the
Yesterday,
5
I
minute.
had this awesome entry on this gold short, and I was expecting it to go off of the open, and it didn't go off of the open. It went like 15 minutes later, and I didn't hold it because I thought it was gonna push down off the open.
Yeah, I'm bad at holding trades.
I know that's really what I've been working on lately. If I have a trade plan and it's not invalidated, you got to hold that thing till the cows come home.
Yeah, but with my trade plan, it's basically I'm used to it going immediately. So to me, if it's not going immediately, it's kind of invalidating the trade plan.
I know that's kind of what I was thinking yesterday. Tarnation. Yeah, that's kind of what my thing was yesterday. I was like, my trade plan is this. I'm seeing weakness. I'm seeing, stronger moves down compared to the moves up. And, I think this open is going to have the volume to push it down. And then it didn't, so I just got out of it. Which
Kind of think the NQ is going to push back up, but just kind of bouncing around right now. Looks like gold's been going down as we've been talking about, ain't it?
yeah, I'm hoping we can get under this consolidation. I was up quite a good bit if I had taken it where it went, I would have been awesome on the day, but I'm trying to hold it. Trying to hold it for that larger move.
So you're trying to get it to break below all this?
I would like it to, yeah. Oh. Basically this range it's been sitting in all morning.
$25-point range. Oh, it's going back up.
Dang it.
I think one of these days I'm just going to take trades and just sit on them all day. Just see what it feels like.
kind of what I've
Gotta-
been trying to just desensitize myself to do, man. It's fucking,
Yeah. Gotta like build up tolerance for it or something.
yeah, build up the bullshit. Child, what are you doing? I'm looking at my baby monitor. My kid's face is like right in it.
Yeah, that's something that we never had. 2 kids never had a baby monitor.
I wasn't gonna get one, but my mom got one for us. So I was like, all right, I'll appreciate that.
Yeah, we had people talking about giving us one on the second kid. And then it's like, well, we never used it on the first kid. Mike, you sleeping? You ain't talking to us?
Oh, I didn't turn my mic on. Oh, shit. No wonder why nobody's answering me. I thought I was just being ignored. Take Profit Trader has a good deal going on now. 40% off, and you get your evaluation feedback when you pass.
You went to go shake your wiener and never talk to us again.
Yeah. That's not bad, no? Getting your evaluation feedback, so your evaluation is free.
Oh, yeah, I've seen that. If you pass.
And there's no activation fee.
Yeah.
How much more can you ask for?
It was just kind of chopping sideways.
Mm. Where are you?
Right here.
Ruan, I was asking if you were there, but I guess you didn't hear me because my mic was off. I was talking to you. The funny thing is, not only I was talking, but when I was talking and it was quiet, and then you guys were talking over me too, and I was saying, "Holy shit!" Yeah, Ruan, I'm looking at your chart. I put on the Trade Saber indicator. It does nothing. It basically almost highlights every single change of direction. It's very rare that it doesn't highlight a change of direction, so it's not an indicator for that. What I was wondering, what were those 2 straight lines that you have showing the channel? Is that like a regression channel? But the Trade Saber indicator, there's no use for that. It doesn't do anything. I mean, I understand how it works. You have to have the wick higher than the previous candle for the sells and lower, but they're almost all going to have that condition. If you look over here on my chart, every single trade, every single rotation has that condition. Algo box channel in the okay. Is that also from Trade Saber? I don't think so, eh? Yeah, that's another thing you can use. You can start getting in when you're near the low end of the channel, if it's rising, and try to get in. Get rid of the bands and get rid of the moving average. Just use that channel. Again, you can create a very low risk trade if you touch the channel and you bounce on a rising channel. So if the channel is rising and you touch the bottom of the channel and you bounce, a continuation bar, you take the trade. The channel is falling and you touch the top part of the channel, you take the sell trade. So what are we doing here? I've been churning my account. And you know what? Let me just see what the commission is on this thing. $55.60. 56. Wow, it's $1. Wow, they're double the commissions. That's a lot.
What's double the commission?
Funding futures, they're $1 in, $1 out. Instead of 50 cents in on the micros, instead of 50 cents in, 50 cents out.
I thought micros were about 59 or 60. I think some are 59, some are 63.
Yeah, no, not with funding futures. Here, I'm at $61. I'm going to sell one, and I'm going to go to minus $61.95. So it's 95 cents. That's a big difference. Well, their dashboard is all screwed up. I'd have to show you. You would shake your head. For instance, let me give you an example. I've only been trading them for 5 days, right? And net, it tells me my account balance is 50,300. And my 5 days, I had a minus $1,000 day, which actually never happened. Then I had a plus 5 day, a plus 100 day, a plus 100 day, and a plus 200 day. So I'm saying, how, if I have plus 200, plus 100, plus 100, and plus 5, that's about $405, and I have a negative 1,000. How do you guys show me up $300, not $6? But they have other areas also on the dashboard showing you your results. And those numbers don't even match the numbers on the bottom. That doesn't match your balance. It's like they just grab.
Some of them might be end of day, where some might be live numbers, some might be end of day numbers.
I can't make heads or tails from these numbers at all from anything.
I think the market died on us.
9.8.9 9-point range.
It's just sitting there. Sitting there in drawdown, man.
Mm.
Talking about the NQ or the gold? You still in the gold?
Gold's real bad.
What was your entry price?
Terrible.
1,600. 1,600.
Like it was terrible. That's what it was. It was terrible.
I got short 3. I got short 3 years ago.
Yeah.
Once again, 34.
Sorry,
34.86. Once again, I thought we would have better movement off of the open. I gotta stop.
Have you been in since the open?
Yeah, I've been in since since before the open. And if I was smart, I would have taken it 34.75. But I mean, there was no real reason to put a take profit there, though.
Mm-hmm. I don't know how y'all can sit in the trades like that.
Yeah, I know.
Just waiting for structure.
Come to trades like that, I'm bad about like forgetting I'm even in the trade and come back an hour later, I done lost all my money.
The smart entry here would have been like 34.91. But we'll ride it out, see what happens, I guess. That's okay. It's a paper account right now, but I'm just trying to get get better at holding.
Well,
Yeah,
obviously, a really good job at it.
If it's all within your range, then it's no different than any trade that I take when I'm holding, when it goes a little bit against me because it's within my range. It's no different. Your perspective is a little bit different. That's all.
So yeah, it's all the way you think about it. I mean, look, I day trade and I sit in the trade for 5 minutes. You know, I feel like I'm married to it and I gotta like get a divorce or something. But at the same time, I swing trade for months at a time, and I could care less. And then I also invest, and shit, I don't care at all. I just keep buying more.
That's my worry is if I like invest in stuff, it's like I'm gonna want to fuck with it. I think I want to get a BlackRock account or something where they manage my money and I don't have to worry about it or touch it. Like, I can't go in and be like, hey, fuck you. Buy some XRP or whatever the fuck.
Mm-hmm. If that's what you want to do, just go in and buy either SPY or QQQ, or maybe like 60-40 SPY QQQ or something.
Yeah.
and then just leave it alone. Don't mess with it, and set up to where every week you put in a certain amount and forget about it for 40 years, and you'll be rich.
Mm.
And that strategy right there will beat majority of accounts you can buy,
Majority probably
hedge
beat them all.
funds and stuff.
I'll just buy 0 DTE SPY options.
That's where all the money went.
That's why there's so much money in the market right now, is people keep buying 0 DTE SPY options and wondering why they keep getting fucking destroyed.
I keep seeing people talk about stuff like that, and I'm like, why don't you just trade futures?
Yeah.
And then so many people get screwed over because of the decay. It's like, well,
Yeah.
why don't you just trade futures?
Yeah. And where does that money go? To the institutions.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the majority of the hedge funds over a 5-year period can't beat the S&P. So it's like, instead of paying people money to handle your account, handle your own. Put it into SPY and just keep adding to it. Another thing you could do is put about 80% into either SPY or split it between SPY and QQQ. They're so similar nowadays. But then you take the other 20% and you could buy like companies you like at a cheap value. Wait for Apple to crash 30% and buy some of it.
Yeah. That's really what I want to be looking for.
I think Apple's down now, isn't it? Like 20% or something. Where you at, Apple?
It's
There it
down
is.
20% right now. I'm surprised.
No, it went back up.
Okay.
Down 13%. But just a few weeks ago was down 35%. So what a great time to pick up some.
Hey, while you guys are here doing nothing, I need to do a GPT test. I'm going to bug you too. I posted a short just a little while ago on a schedule. It says, I've been unfaithful is the thumbnail.
Yeah.
Can you guys go view it, comment, and then like it? I need 3 people to do it. That's you too. And
did already?
oh yeah.
Let me check.
I'm not allowed to view other people's channels. That would be unfaithful.
It was a short? Or, I mean, yeah.
Yeah, a short, yeah.
When did you post?
Because I want to see if I'm going to go into suggestions. They said that if you get 3 people to comment and like, they should start suggesting it. I'm not getting suggested at all.
I see Omnius Trades confesses. Is that the one?
Yeah.
Let's watch
I
it.
need to comment on it.
Say that again? Yeah, if you can do a comment on it.
Oh, okay.
And then I'll like. Your wife's not home, eh, Omnius?
Yeah, she's home.
Oh, yeah? I was going to bug you to get her to do that, too. It said you need 3 people to do it. I don't know why. It said get 3 people to do it. And that should be enough to have them start pushing it out. I mean, I'm not looking for crazy. I'm just looking to see if I can get that suggested category even appear in my results.
See how he's trying to get me to get my wife to go watch it.
I need a third person. Ruan's not here. Oh, there he is. Okay, Ruan's here. I don't need to bother your wife. Go view my short called "I've Been Unfaithful," and then comment on it and then like it.
Oh, Mike, you know what I've heard helps shorts engagement is if you click the option where it doesn't alert your subscribers that you posted a short,
Okay.
I think it's something along those lines.
Yeah,
Where
I know
it'll
exactly.
actually
Yeah.
put it out into the algorithm more instead of just
Sending it to your
focusing on-
subscribers. Yeah, no, but there's a problem with my account. I think it's crossed with somebody else's account. Like if I try to download one of my own videos
No.
off YouTube Studio, where you're supposed to be able to do that, it sends me to another website.
I can't download my videos either. You're supposed to be able to download the shorts on your phone. I can't never download them.
And not only that, I lose access to YouTube every 14 days. They remove my, and I have to reapply almost. I have to what's that called? Recertify the account or
Like remonetize your channel?
No. You know, like what's that?
You gotta have over 1,000 subscribers to monetize.
Yeah, you know, like when you open up a new account, they want to know who you are, so you got to send your ID.
Yep.
Let's say so for this, yeah. So for all the advanced features, I send my ID. After 14 days, they spin it back to me, and they say you've lost access. We no longer are keeping your ID, and you've lost access to all YouTube features. So I send them my ID again, 14 days later, and it's exactly 14 days. And it just keeps happening and happening. So, but now it's even worse. Now on this round, they sent back my ID. They took away my ability to have advanced features. And I can't upload an ID anymore because it says we're verifying your ID. It'll take 24 hours. But you don't have my ID. You gave it back. I haven't re-uploaded my ID. And by the way, it hasn't been 24 hours. It's been 10 days now.
What?
Yeah. I can't do anything now. Now I'm locked out because they say they're verifying my ID, but they don't have an ID to verify. Yeah, it's all screwed up. It's all twisted, and it's like it needs a cleanup. That's what I'm saying. GPT said you got to send a video. It's so dirty and bad that AI can't fix this. Your account needs to be completely reset or something. But the one final test they said was post a video, get 3 people
Give my money. Give my money, fool.
Get 3 people to comment and like right away. And if it doesn't get posted in suggestion, even 2%, if there's no suggestion, then you're just completely off YouTube's list there, whatever. You don't exist as far as YouTube is concerned. Hello?
Hello?
Oh, I'm talking to my wife. Sorry, shutting the mic here.
This is me. Is that you? Maybe.
Maybe my computer will be less slow if I put all my trading view charts on one tab. Let's try this.
Yeah, my laptop gets slow sometimes.
I mean, my computer. Well, here's the thing: is I'm playing a game right now, and I'm looking at trading view charts, and I'm looking at and I'm
Oh, that's what it is. The
on
game.
Discord. Yeah.
Every time I'm doing games, like everything gets all screwed up. Then if my son plays a game before I stream, it messes the stream up. It's like I gotta restart the computer. What game you playing?
Splitgate 2. I got Joker playing this game. He was loving it the other day. I like hanging out with Joker. He's got these crazy analyses that are so exact, precise. It's kind of nice. It's like it's like being on a floor, you know what I mean? You're like, oh yeah, you're looking at this, looking for this break of structure and this, if it comes to this level, and we'll see how it reacts off of this level. And
yeah, he's got a great way to analyze the markets.
Yeah, he's got a great plan.
Yep.
His big thing is just execution. He'll map out these awesome trades all day long, and then he won't hold them long enough or whatever.
Yeah, I think that's everyone's problem, basically. I don't know. Like so far, the only one that I've seen that I've come across that's the most consistent is Mike Stunts.
Yeah.
You know, Woodchip also. Woodchip, I wanted to talk to him also. You know, he used in the beginning when I started, Woodchip was pretty much the only one in my room, and we would talk, and he would, you know, give me his outlook on the markets and where he thinks it would go and where he was taking his trades. And they were solid picks. Yeah, he would sprinkle in some impulsive trades, you know, but his main thesis was always very solid. I was very impressed. He had a lot of things that he was watching. He was watching half gaps, and like he had these things that he was watching, and they fulfilled very often. You know, kind of like when we talk about the opening range retest. You know, like that it plays out often. His thesis were playing out very often, but. Yep, you got to get the impulsiveness out. You got to get the taking profits early out. And, you know, I'm still working on that. I got impulsive yesterday, unfortunately, and had a bit of a blow up in Bulenox.
Yep.
But it was my first one in a very long time. And you know what? I think I actually learned from it more than I'd learned from all my other blowouts. And why I say that? Because I already know not to do it. I already know just trade your size, trade consistent, take your loss, in, out, and your account will be, you'll be fine. Take a look at my top. I'm going to open up my, let me see if I can get it, my Take Profit Trader account, the one that we opened up for the competition. Let me get that up. You know, when I do that, now I know. Before I didn't have confidence in it. I kind of questioned it. But now I know. I've seen it all the time. Or I've seen it so often now. And especially with the taking of the losses, there's just no reason for me not to take my losses anymore. I don't know if this will show up here. I got to make it probably a little bit smaller. Does it all show up? No, not yet. Of course, you're going to do that, Mr. Stupid Window. There we go. I think it should show up on my green chart. I don't know. That's weird. I can't even check. I got a close screen too. There we go. Now you guys should see it. Like that's pretty much my equity curve. When I trade properly. I have that with Top Step also. And any account that I determine that I really get determined that I don't want to trade aggressively, I just want to trade with a PDLL, accept my losses and move on. This is the growth. The only thing that gets to me is it's slow. It requires a lot of days. And that's what's frustrating. And then that's what happened yesterday. I said, okay, Mike, you're doing well. Increase your size. It's going too slow. And I went to Bulenox and I blew up a couple of accounts. And that's a little bit of an understatement. But now I know, even if you're going to trade larger, like today I'm trading larger in that user account there, whatever it's called. Wait a minute. Why is this up here still? Funding futures. I'm taking 10, 20 lots, but I'm trading it just like I take 2 lots and 3 lots.
Nice.
I hit my loss. I take it. The volatility is gone right now, so I'm kind of just treading water with the wins and the losses. Not really making any headway, just turning commissions. But yeah, I think I could do well even now. Like I said, I think I can graduate to, instead of 2 lots, 3 lots, 4 lots, depending on how I feel. I think I can go to 4, 5s, and 6. 2, 3, 4, 4, 6, 8, or maybe even 6, 8, 10, something like that. I just realized I got to accept the little bit bigger loss. So I'm going to try it with an eval. Probably this user one here. I'm even doing it more aggressively, just to see what it looks like, get used to the numbers. And hopefully the growth will be faster. And all I got to do is find the right area that doesn't bust the account. Because 30, if I do 3 minis, I'll probably bust the account based on my drawdown, because I could hit 2 PDLLs in a row. So that would be 200 at, well, it's $100 a lot. Basically, that's usually where my PDLL is. So if I'm doing 2 lots, I'll set it at about 170. So if I'm doing actually 3 lots, the PDLL is in 1 day, it's gone. I hit my full loss. Yeah. I want to figure out a balance somewhere where it's aggressive. The account may blow, but I got to hit the PDLL 2 or 3 days in a row. Other than that, you know, try to make my that kind of growth that you saw there. So the PDLL should be about $800. $800, 816.24. Yeah, that only allows me to go up by a multiple of 4. So max 8 micros max.
Task manager. Let's open up the old task manager.
Okay, so we're gonna do that.
So what's actually burning up a lot of power is Discord, actually.
Discord does, yes.
Yeah.
10%, I think it takes from my CPU.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's right there on mine as well.
I got it at 7%. That's not too bad.
I just got coin flipped alert. You want to do the coin flip today or take a break?
It's up to you.
Let me get out of this trade. If we make money, we'll do it. Okay, there we go. And there we go. That's not bad. Okay, I'll quit there. Yeah, let's do it. Give me a second. Give me a second. Oh, no. Flip it. Don't flip it yet.
I heard you say, give me a second. What's it matter? You gotta flip it right on the...
Yeah, I got to be ready. When you call it, I got to trade it. So let me disconnect all my accounts because I got four opened over here. Cancel
what if I'm on
orders.
a delay on calling
it? Disconnect. Yes.
Disable. There we go. If I disable, I don't need to see your guys' video. Even though I love to see your beautiful faces. Maybe if that'll use less. There we go. Now it's using like 3%.
Yeah. The video's
video streaming.
Slowing shit down. Bulenox. Let me get Bulenox open.
There we go.
I'm almost there, sir. Computer's hanging.
You know what? I made a big mistake today. And it's that I didn't check news. It looks like there was no news today, but I didn't check the news.
Yeah, I'm pretty negligent with that.
I know, me too.
Also,
getting real
it's
bad
terrible.
Like but it's almost, to a degree, it kind of doesn't matter because it's, especially on NQ, it just does whatever it wants anyway.
Yeah.
It's just volume. It's not actual direction.
Go
I don't know.
ahead.
You catch CPI or something like that, and it jumps 50 points. I mean,
yeah, something like that. I would agree. Yeah, but like most news, it seems to just push it in whatever direction it already wants to go,
heads.
instead of going on like good or bad news.
I think the red folder news is the ones I try to stay away from. Everything else doesn't really matter.
Oh yeah, that's the only news I look at is red folder.
I got it where it's set on my Ninja Trader, but it works when it wants to. It tells me the medium news and the red folder news. And then I'll go to Financial Juice sometimes in the morning and check it.
Yeah, Financial Juice is my go-to.
Getting close.
The one on my Ninja Trader used to work great. I don't know, somewhere along the way it quit working as good.
That's another winner, guys.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Let me update the stats. That's crazy, man.
We at least broke a little bit to the downside. I'm hoping this is the start of the move down on gold. I'm really, really sitting here with all my hopium in this trade, you know?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I could see it now. We broke VWAP. I got bearish momentum going below, and plus we broke a couple of, why did that sound like a casino slot machine? We broke a couple of swing lows over here. Actually, 3 of them I had at 34.92. So yeah. What chip? We did the coin flip strategy at 1 again. That's why you heard the slot machine noise. Good. I guess afternoon? No, you're still in the morning. You're at 8:49. Good morning. What chip? Let's update the stats. It is August 8th. It is day 11. Let's make it day 10. Because I think it is day 10. I think my count's off. We started. It's Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday. The account balance is 50,708. Wow, it's up $708. That's so funny. And that's another winner. 13-5.
Making my coin flip strategy look bad.
Can you believe it? 13-5? What do you mean I'm making it look bad? It's doing great.
It's supposed to be 50-50.
Ah, well, it's only 18 flips so far. We got a bunch more flips.
That means theoretically there's going to be a long losing streak.
Wait, so I was gonna say, what's the coin flip strategy sitting at percentage-wise?
I forgot. What did I just say it was?
You say 13-5 or something?
Yeah, 13 or 15. Hold on, I'll open it up again.
I like that.
Nightbot.
I like that it's beating the odds.
13-5. The account's at 708.
So that'd be 72%? No.
On 18 trades, 13.
60.
No, it's more than 60.
62?
Nope.
No?
Not possible.
I think I figured that wrong.
5, 10,
Okay,
15.
wait, I know I did wrong. Okay.
74.
Clear.
It's around 74, 73%. It's 13 divided by 18.
Yeah,
It's in this,
I did it wrong.
It's in the 70s.
Yeah, 73. Yeah, 72.
What, Chip? Are you still there? I need one more person, or I want one more person to do me a favor. If you're still there. Can you go? I posted a short this morning. Can you go watch it till the end, then post a comment, and then hit the like button? I'm doing a test on my account to see if it moves the short into the suggested feed, because I'm having a problem with my account, and this is like the final test. I need 4 people to view it till the end. It's true, I forgot to tell you guys to view it to the end. Did you all view it to the end?
I believe I did.
That was the instructions you posted. Yeah. Oh no, Ruan, it's the one it's the one I was talking about. It's the one that says I confess or something. I forgot what it says. Hold on. Ruan, yeah, I saw you. I think you did it already for me, bud. I got a notification there. Ruan Eva commented, LOLOL. Yeah, that's the one. I can't read what it says on the thumbnail. It's too small. Maybe here. I've been unfaithful. That one. I sleep with liquidity. That's so funny. Let's go back to NQ. NQ is long. Oh, I got nothing to trade. 11:53. Okay, it's Friday. It's the weekend. It's 11:53, and my wife's home, and I think I want to go up north and walk around and have a bite to eat somewhere.
Pizza? Are you going to eat pizza today?
No.
He's like, pizza?
No, pizza. No, I think today's going to be a club sandwich for two.
He's going to eat a club sandwich.
Yeah, I mean, well, it depends on what my wife wants. You know, she may say she wants something else, and then we'll do rock, paper, scissors, or she'll just make a pouty face and I'll give in. But either way, we figure it out. We don't argue too much over that. So yeah, I want to go start my weekend, then I'll come back, do my work. I got to contact YouTube, send them all the information that I get. Just waiting.
You still on that diet? Yes, no, maybe.
Sorry, I can't hear you. There's static.
You're breaking up.
You're breaking up. Thank you, Woodchip. I appreciate it. I appreciate it a lot. That's the final test that I have to do on my account to get information on what's going on. No, but I do want to. I bought a ton of cottage cheese at Costco, so I will be getting back on it. But you know what?
Look, I was watching a video this morning talking about the importance of a 3-day fast. So when we start,
it's awesome. I bet you, Mike. You could do the diet easily if you just started with a fast.
Oh yeah,
I think it would kill a lot of your cravings.
You know what? No, it's my family. They're very, very. You know what? Look, I don't have the strongest self-control. So you want to go for a pizza? No.
Yeah. No.
Yeah. No. I'll say no. Come on, let's go for a pizza. No. Look, I'm trying. Come on, but the pepperoni. You know they don't let go. I don't know who was on the channel. Butters, wasn't it you on the channel when my wife was with the ice cream? Like there was no saying no. It's like they push and they push. I say, guys, you aren't. Look, the only one that needs to lose weight in here is me. You know, they're only doing it to encourage me. So you know, they're not really motivated to want to do it. You know, so you get some.
If I start talking about a diet, my wife goes out and buys pizza and ice cream and cupcakes. And
yeah, well, they can have it. There's no reason why they shouldn't have it. But just don't have it. Don't invite me to come and sit down with you and have it. Have it on your own. Have it with my daughter. You know, I told her, go with my daughter. Go with Meg. Don't ask me to go with you. That's, you know, and then I'm going to get there and okay, and that's where I break down.
I did the carnivore ice cream, and that was all right.
You wait on every aisle.
Carnivore ice cream?
It's just basically heavy cream and eggs, and freeze it up and whip it.
Okay.
Just basically ice cream with no sugar. Well, it's custard because it's got eggs in it, right? So technically, it's like sugar-free, unsweetened. It's not terrible.
Was it egg?
What did you say?
Egg white or egg white and yellow?
Egg yolks. Just the yolks.
Just the yolks. Costco's a smorgasbord. You know what, Chip? I'm not a sampler at Costco. My family is. They love it. My daughter will bring me there just to walk the aisles and have samples. I'd say, Megan, it's not a restaurant. It's not a buffet.
How do you go to Costco and not sample?
I'm not a sampler. I look. Unless it's Krispy Kreme. When they have Krispy Kreme, I take.
Our Costco, they down there chase you down. Try bite. Dang, calm down.
But the other ones, I don't know. Look, I'm a very picky eater. I only like junk. So if it's not hamburgers, pizza, or spaghetti, I'm really not interested in it. So.
But you eat the hot dogs.
Oh, yeah. Hey, they brought Coke to our Costco now. It used to be Pepsi. I like Coke better. I don't know. I think in the U.S. they like Pepsi better, no? I think Pepsi's the dominant brand.
I've heard Pepsi seems to do better on blind taste tests.
Yeah, well, it's sweeter. I can admit it's sweeter.
I'm glad I don't drink soda anymore. It's like, man, that's so packed full of sugar. It's just sugar water.
Well, again, I'll say, for me, it's always the diet. I never drink the...
but the diet's just as bad.
No, I know. I've heard it's ant poison. The aspartame. That's what they figured out.
Like a 20-ounce Pepsi is like a day and a half worth of sugar.
Mm.
It's crazy. But I don't drink that much anymore. I used to be bad about it. I used to drink like 2, 3, 4, 20 ounces a day.
Wow. No, we do. We go, like I said, we go through 2 liters here a day.
Oh, I forgot. Sorry. I I forgot the new Battlefield is on open beta. I'm gonna download that.
Okay, so give me, just before I go, give me that recipe. Heavy cream and egg yellow.
But
Yeah,
but it's
it
available
was-
tomorrow.
It was just half a what is it?
Half a cup.
I did like a pint of heavy
Ooh.
cream and then 5 egg yolks. And then do you have an ice cream maker?
No, but I think Mike Stunts just said, Mike said just put it in the freezer and then whip it. And it's like soft ice cream, no?
The
With the zzz, the electric there.
yeah, the electric egg beater and then the ice in the bowl with the salt. Make it really cold. And yeah, that should work fine.
Can
Say
you go
that again?
blender?
Oh, but no, you put it in the freezer first, he said.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you get the
So put the bowl with the cream and the yolks in the
was-
freezer and then pull it out and blend it after, let's say, 2 hours.
yeah, something like that. I'm not sure the exact best way to do it because I got the we got like an ice cream maker for our wedding, one of our wedding presents.
Okay.
So it's basically the same thing. It's just a frozen bowl and a little machine that like churns it.
Yeah.
It's a pretty similar process.
Okay. I'll Google I'll Google or GPT the rest and I'll fill in the holes.
Oh, the video for it is, I think her name is the Steak and Butter Gal, and that's the one that Mike was watching. How he
Wow.
made his.
You just made me in the mood for steak supper.
Yeah.
I'm not in the mood for ice cream anymore suddenly.
Nah, he wants some steak and butter, man.
Okay, guys, thanks a lot. Omnis, you sticking around?
Nope. I'm out.
Hey, Woodchip's in the house. Okay, Woodchip, Skeletor, Butters. I'm going.
Alrighty.
I'm closing up, and I will see
Nope.
you guys.
Friday. Go enjoy the weekend.
Yep.
Probably gonna close out and just sit in this trade for the rest of forever.
Mm.
Close it and go play Battlefield.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Well, it's about back to entry, isn't it? No. Okay.
No, it didn't come back to it yet.
I saw it going down, but now it's going up again.
I know. I'm hoping this this high holds and we keep pushing.
Let me see.
Nice
Shoot the
push.
gold. Do nice push.
Set a stop loss, set take profit, go play Battlefield.
Mm.
Yep, that's
Got
what
back
gotta
above.
do.
All right, Mike.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks for showing up, guys. It was fun. We had some good laughs today.
Thank you.
Great trading, pretty much, I think, on most people's behalf. I know the gold one is taking its time for Butters, but in general, great
hopefully.
trading. Yeah, hopefully we'll get below view up and start tanking. Woodchip's in a trade, I think, short on NQ. Hopefully that'll base, but I'm not too crazy about that trade, to be honest with you. That seems to be fighting the trend. Yeah, it's Woodchip's there. I see him. I didn't even know. That's it. See you guys Sunday night if I can. If I can stream, it'll probably be a little later, around 7:15. If not, Monday morning, 9:15 or earlier. Take care.
Awesome.
Thanks for everything. Thanks for checking out the video and commenting. Go ahead, Amis.
Had fun. Appreciate everyone hanging out. And say bye later.
Bye.
Yeah.
Later, guys.
Not this again. Tried to size down, trumped again. Daddy's home, don't press send. Clicking in while, no anchor, bro. This gotta end. Every morning, same chart, same zone. Market moving fast, I ain't feeling at home. Break of the high, trapped in disguise. Thought I was the king, turns out surprise, but not in fake. House lurking, price got me sweating, palms straight hurting. Like, come on, man, where's the edge? I knew. Just need my setup clean, let it come through. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, but not for pain. The boss is back, no room for shame. Future's floor taking over the game. Was down bad last week, too much size, no plan, just vibes, yeah, that's how you die. Now I'm calm, free lot, clean as snow. Clicking that anchor, let that discipline flow. But now them dopamine traps got me chasing green with no recap. Like chill, bro, let that setup bake. Waiting for the moment, let the market break. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, we trade with aim. The boss is back, no more games. Future's floor, putting clowns to shame. Fake breakouts, pump fakes, wicks that lie. Even caught that lunar move, thought I'd fly. But it don't matter what dreams I rent. If I skip the plan, account gets bent. But nah, them weak trades wild. And no anchor, no click, just straight freestyling. Like come on fam, that's not the vibe. Run to your live, click, stamp, click, click, watch me grow. Future's floor, got that inner flow. Daddy's home in full control. Let the rest FOMO, we on a roll. He in my oil, it's like it's satisfact. And I'm missing the D. Was lost last week, caught in the heat. Now I'm posted up, clean trade game elite. Tame the urge, let the setup speak. The boss is back, and I ain't missing a beat.